Looking for the best drones under $500? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic T25. The Potensic T25 is a fairly affordable drone. What sets it apart from other drones is the GPS and gimbal. When you cross into the above $200 territory, you're going to start seeing gimbals and GPS on just about every drone. The T25 has both. That said, there is a very good reason why the Potensic is in the sub-$200 range. It's very small compared to its siblings in this price range, about half the size, and it doesn't fly for as long as the others. It has an app with some follow me functionality, but it doesn't work super well. The camera does manage 1080p resolution, but it relies heavily on automatic settings to adjust for things like exposure and focus. It's passable, at best. But there's still a lot of value in this little drone, and that's why it's on this list. For the budget-conscious consumer who wants to dip a toe in the drone waters, this is a really decent option. It won't go much further than 300 feet without losing signal in FPV mode, though. Speaking of FPV mode, the camera on this drone is capable of tilting downward so you can see what is below you. This isn't a gimbal because it doesn't help you maintain the horizon when in flight, but it does allow you a wide field of vision while in the air. GPS is also fairly accurate. You can release the sticks on this drone and it will hover where you left it until you start flying again. It is capable of moving with some amount of precision, maneuvering through the obstacle course with only the occasional hiccup. Number 2. Holystone HS200D. The Holystone HS200 is a really good budget-friendly drone. If you've looked up drones on Amazon, you're probably familiar with the name. The HS200 is a perfectly fine drone. Flying it was a smooth experience, although it required more adjustment than other drones to stay put. One fact to mention is that it takes a long time to charge. The advertised time is approximately 2 hours, which aligns with our testing, but that's a lot of downtime. Plus, to charge the battery life, you need to plug a micro USB cable into it. Overall, I found this drone to be less maneuverable than others when it came to obstacles, as it struggled the most with precision movements. You can generally maneuver the drone where you want it to go, but obstacle avoidance is a problem. The camera has some issues as well. It compensates with a sort of half-dark/half-light composition. On the positive side, it handles contrasting colors nicely, as they're not completely blown out. It may not be HDR, but it's not the worst camera we've ever seen. Number 3. Holystone HS100. The Holystone RC drone is a lower-cost, quality option great for drone photography beginners. This drone includes a number of features to make flying easier, including a large body and powerful motors for stability, altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing. The 2K Wi-Fi camera offers a 120-degree field of view, a selfie and follow mode, and live video streaming to your phone in addition to recording and capturing stills. Run the drone from an app on your phone, the included transmitter, or a combination of the two. With an 18-minute flight time, protected by an auto-return feature when the battery gets low, this drone will let you capture stunning aerial photography anywhere you go.